Welcome to Unlock English Through Stories, where every story helps you understand English better, feel deeper, and grow every day. Stay with me. Your English will not just improve, it will finally start to make sense. Let's begin the story. There is a boy. His name is Adeel. He has studied English for 5 years. He knows many words. He can read books. He can understand videos. But when someone says, "Hey, can you speak in English?" he freezes. He becomes quiet. His hands feel cold. His mind goes blank. He says, "I forgot everything. I am not ready. I need more time." But the truth is, he doesn't need more grammar. He doesn't need more vocabulary. He needs confidence. Confidence is not in your mouth. It's in your mind. If your thoughts are strong, your words will become strong too. But if your thoughts are weak, even simple words become hard to say. Many English learners feel this. They know the answer. They have practiced, but still they cannot speak. Why? Because they are afraid. Afraid of mistakes. Afraid of people. Afraid of looking stupid. But here is the truth, Everybody makes mistakes. Even native speakers. Even teachers. Even me. Mistakes are not the enemy. Fear is. So let's change the mindset. Let's see English speaking in a new way. You are not performing. You are connecting. When you speak English, you are not showing off. You are sharing yourself, your thoughts, your feelings, your voice. It's not about being perfect. It's about being real. Say something wrong? That's okay. Forget a word? Just smile. Try again. Confidence grows when you keep trying. Even when your voice shakes. Think of a baby. A baby says simple words. The baby says mama and ball. Not perfect. But everyone claps. Everyone smiles. Why? Because effort is beautiful. Now think of yourself. You are not late. You are not behind. You are just learning like everyone else. So next time, when someone says, "Can you speak in English?" take a deep breath. Tell yourself, "Yes, I can. I am learning. I am trying." And even if you speak slowly, even if your words are not perfect, speak anyway. Your voice is your power. Here are some mindset tips to remember. Speak small sentences. Don't wait to be perfect. Talk to yourself in English when you are alone. Imagine the conversation before you say it. Learn to enjoy the pause. Silence is not failure. Smile while speaking, it relaxes your brain. And never compare your English with others. Your journey is your own. Confidence is not born in one day. It comes from practice, from falling and getting up, and from speaking again and again. So speak today. Speak something. Anything. Start small. Grow slowly. Believe always. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to begin. If this video helped you, please like it. It tells me you want more videos like this. And if you want more calm, deep, story-style English, subscribe to Unlock English Through Stories. New videos for your heart and your growth. You're not alone. You're not weak. You are learning. And you are doing better than you think. Thank you for being here.